We watch and marvel at the rapid evolution of mankind in the last century. And at the core of this advancement lies electrical devices which made our existence seamless and efficient. In a world where wires connect us and switches illuminate our paths, Havells emerges as a beacon of innovation, and every innovation is a testament to their commitment of making the lives of people better. Sustainability is not used as a buzzword, but it is etched in the ethos. Their corporate family is a bond woven with trust, respect, and shared aspiration to create a wonderful world they call Havells. Let's walk through the powerhouse of electricals and electronics that don't just light up homes, but lives. In the post-independence era, the new India saw the emergence of new visionaries who through gut and perseverance would carry the burden of the ever-changing economy and make it global. Keemat Rai Gupta, a dreamer, set out to create products proudly made in India for the world and bought a small Indian company, Havells. The same Indian company is now a mammoth brand that has solidified its status as a globally trusted name in the electricals frontier.
Cultures can evolve and legacies can evolve, but I think the value systems continue to remain the same. First and foremost, as I said, is ethics. Doing the right thing for the business, for the shareholders, for investors, for employees, for larger community, and of course the country. Overall governance standards were very high even when the company was small. Of course, the entrepreneurship has been a cornerstone of our culture. The way we want our employees to behave in the marketplace is highly entrepreneurial and as an owner, as against a very rigorous professional organizations. It's not something which you imbibe, it's a culture which is there in the organization.
Guided by their core values, Havells products have been bringing about a change in over 60 countries with the help of its 15 state-of-the-art manufacturing plants spread across India, representing 20+ product verticals and manufacturing more than 20,000 SKUs, products that make them a world leader in the electrical and electronic segment sector. Havells India is one of the few companies that imagine, design, develop, manufacture everything in India. For decades, Havells has been the trailblazers on the journey towards a vibrant, eco-friendly and hopeful future for India. The Make in India movement further empowers them, and the constant need to innovate fuels their progress. The success of Havells is attributed to the culture of innovation and humility in the organization, because of which they always have an ear to the ground, have open channels for communication, and are ready to make improvements. They take consumer insights and feedback, understand their pain points, and the team then work towards designing and innovating products today for an efficient tomorrow.
We have a team for what we call as consumer experience and design. And what this team does is it helps us start the journey of product innovation. So they'll be out there interacting or interfacing with the consumers, be it in terms of actual field studies or be it even getting inputs through secondary market research. And then using those insights to really come up with first ideas in terms of what is it that we have to look at putting together. And once we have this insight, they'll be working on giving some kind of a form and shape to what is it that we have to do for a specific product. And then it goes into the engineering team to build the actual product.
Havells is known for its focus on innovation. Central to its focus is Havells Customer Experience and Design, also called CXD. CXD is a strategic division within Havells Center for Research and Innovation, CRI. CRI's ultimate goal is tackling real-world challenges through revolutionary user-centric approaches.
CRI has been part of this organization for, I would say, almost 2 decades. In the earlier form, it was embedded as part of our production plants, and people were basically co-located with the plants. More than a decade ago, we made a conscious decision of setting up a central organization, what we call as Center for Research and Innovation. My experience working for Havells has been nothing short of great. It's truly an innovator's delight. As a technologist, what can one ask for? I mean, you care for freedom and flexibility to be able to work on your ideas, leverage technology to bring them for the benefit of the consumers, and work like an entrepreneur in a broader ecosystem.
Over time, several of their projects have evolved into highly successful market products. Havells CRI is like a powerhouse dream team, bringing together all sorts of talents under one roof: designers, visualizers, cognitive scientists, researchers, industry leaders, and fresh talent all work together to craft top-notch products. They're not just any team. They are the ones behind the design magic for every product category and brand in the Havells family, from Havells itself to Lloyd, Crabtree, Standard, and Rio.
Today we have a team of little over 850 people, which is spread across 3 different locations. So we have 2 setups which are in Noida and 1 research and innovation hub which is based out of Bangalore.
Havells has 4 centers of excellence driven out of Bangalore, which focuses on area of IoT, software and surface engineering, power electronics, and engineering design.
We have made a conscious decision that we want to own the platform for IoT as well. Because moving forward, I want to have complete control over the data which is relevant for my consumers, the usage behavior on all different products, because that will be the key for me to build more smartness using AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, those kind of technologies to provide more value propositions for my consumers. So this is where I would say that is a key differentiation when it comes to Havells, owning critical pieces of technology and being very quick and agile in bringing out innovation to the markets.
They aim to provide smart products for the smart generation. These centers focus on embedding smart intelligence into all Havells products. R&D team of around 850 people creates a dynamic innovation hub where brainstorming sessions lead to breakthrough ideas. These ideas are then made tangible and consumer-friendly and then move on to the prototype stage after a lot of due diligence. Havells is like an electric explorer, constantly innovating to meet the ever-changing needs of their customers. It's a mix of creativity and top-notch engineering that sparks new ideas and solutions.
We are not a classical electrical goods company which believes in trading products or taking technologies from outside and doing integration of technologies to launch a product. So for example, if I'm doing an air conditioner, I want to control the brain of the AC, which is a controller. If I need to bring out more innovation, if I need to have smart ways of sensing the air quality and do something about it, I need to be able to have the control over this critical technology called the controller. And this is where I would say that we are very unique because we own all critical pieces of technology.
In the realm of design and innovation, the CRI division tirelessly pushes boundaries to ensure Havells stays at the forefront. While Havells' manufacturing prowess stands as an unmatched force.
While government's recent initiatives on Make in India have created a lot of awareness about local manufacturing, but Havells has been always at the forefront of it. Our philosophy has been to produce the goods in our own factories, and because of this, we have been able to take care of the entire value chain. Havells has always been at the forefront of adapting various technologies and innovation in manufacturing. When we look at our all plants, the way the processes are put in place is very important to bring integration. And in today's world, I think integration is possible through Industry 4.0 solutions. And hence we have adapted to manufacturing execution system, which is a closed loop manufacturing environment where all the machines are integrated together and a lot of decision makings are being done by machines on the spot. It reduces load on the operator, it reduces manual interventions, it reduces defect generation tendencies, and hence you are able to get a plant which is actually a defect-free plant. It is able to deliver to the consumer requirement on time.
Embracing the era of Industry 4.0, Havells operates with unparalleled efficiency, swiftly delivering their products to consumers worldwide. To put this into perspective, approximately 21,60,000 kilometers of wires being produced every year, which is approximately 53.89 rotations of Earth. Lloyd, a leading manufacturer of household appliances, has a capacity to produce 24 lakh ACs per annum. They have secured household and commercial complexes with our switchgear till date by producing 50 cross circuit breakers and are ranked among top 3 leading global manufacturers. Engineering brings the ideas to life through prototyping and experimenting with materials and technologies. These prototype products undergo rigorous testing with simulated user scenarios for feedback and improvement. Stringent quality checks are conducted at different stages to ensure each component and the overall product meets Havells standards. For example, let's take the air conditioner as a product. ACs are made in fully automated and integrated 50,000 square foot plant in the 50 acres facility in Gillot. And each AC undergoes comprehensive testing, including performance, cooling efficiency, and safety checks. Once all the quality checks are completed, the products are then packaged safely and transported to our thousands of distributors across the country.
Because of the scalability of our operations, now very important for all of us to really manage manufacturing excellence through a program. And this program we have named as the Havells Way. This has got 6 pillars. First being the Industry 4.0. This is cutting across all our plants. Second pillar for us is consumer-centric quality transformation. This aims at delivering product at highest quality standards through built-in quality program, process excellence, and people competence. And the other 4 pillars being lean manufacturing, supplier partnership, employee engagement, and ESG, which is environment, social, and governance.
Havells doesn't just stop at crafting and delivering their products. They go the extra mile to simplify their consumers' lives. Beyond the assembly line, They extend a helping hand with swift installation services, guaranteeing seamless setup and optimal performance. Their dedication transcends mere transactions. It's about fostering connections with their customers. From comprehending their needs to tailoring solutions, Havells is committed to supporting their consumers every step of the way. In the pursuit of redefining industry standards, Havells invests substantially in cutting-edge technologies and automation processes. Their manufacturing floors echo with the rhythm of innovation and sustainability, but it's the humane touch that defines them. It's about the people who infuse life into them. Here, every employee isn't a mere worker. They are the architects of dreams and entrepreneurs building a future where excellence meets empathy. Havells, blending design expertise with manufacturing mastery, has created innovations that effectively tackle modern living challenges. With great power comes great responsibility. In a world where climate change is no longer a distant threat, but an urgent reality, industries globally are redefining their approach to energy. The winds of change are blowing, and as the call for sustainable practices grows louder, manufacturing giants are realizing the pivotal role they play in reshaping the energy landscape. Automation offers an efficient and sustainable approach to minimizing carbon footprint. By intelligently controlling and optimizing building systems such as lighting and HVAC, substantial energy savings can be achieved, resulting in reduced carbon emissions and environmental impact. Havells India stands at the forefront of ushering in a new era of innovation and automation, balanced with human interaction, contributing significantly to the narrative of a progressive new India. The company's relentless commitment to staying ahead of the technological curve is evident in its dynamic approach to innovation. Marching through the industrial and digital revolutions, Havells have taken great leaps in technology and focused on innovation, and have always molded their approach towards technical advancements, being mindful about their responsibilities towards nature and generations to come. Sustainability is woven into the fabric of their identity. From the raw materials they choose to the energy-efficient processes they adopt, Havells is dedicated to minimizing their environmental footprint. Together, they are building a sustainable tomorrow.
At Havells, sustainability is not a new thing. In fact, we first launched a sustainability report way back in 2012 and 13. In the last 10 years, there was almost a 60% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. There was a 60% reduction in energy emissions. Till date, we have planted more than 18 lakh trees, which has offset almost 4.3 lakh tons of carbon dioxide. We have installed around 9 megawatt of solar plants, which has offset approximately 30,000 tons of carbon dioxide. There's almost 12,000 tons of plastic waste which we have collected. So over the years, as I mentioned earlier, it's cut across the entire value chain of the organization.
From home appliances to industrial solutions, Havells is the heartbeat of progress. Lighting up lives one heart at a time, powering innovations without harming the planet. It stands as a beacon, illuminating the path towards a future where efficiency, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology converge for the betterment of industries and households alike. Havells' CSR efforts revolve around 8 strong pillars of health and nutrition, education, skill development, sanitation, healthcare, environment, heritage conservation, and other humanitarian causes. Havells is a movement, a force that drives positive change. Beyond the boardrooms and factory floors, we embrace a responsibility that extends beyond profit margins. Where sustainability is part of business outside of business, Havells aims to empower marginalized children and help in providing education, meals and a better lifestyle through our Chote Kadam Badi Soch initiative. India, renowned for its rich history, boasts numerous historical monuments that often suffer neglect, and we revive them and bring them back to its glory days.
I would take pride in saying that it is our culture which sets us apart. Money, man, machine, everything can be available to any competitor. But the culture of empowerment, empathy, entrustment is something which sets us apart. And that's something which is a legacy which we have carried from the past, and we hope to continue in the future as well.
At the helm of the new kind of green revolution, Havells believes in bright choices for a brighter tomorrow. Their dedication lies not just in pioneering futuristic designs and products, but in forging a path towards a more sustainable world. They are on a mission to spark a transformative shift, empowering lives and guiding humanity towards a greener horizon. Havells, as an entity, is deeply committed to growing alongside the people it serves, standing as a beacon for India's prowess on the global stage. Rooted in values, ethics, and unwavering integrity, they aspire to kindle inspiration among the upcoming generation of entrepreneurs and corporate leaders. Their aim is to cultivate a corporate ethos that garners respect and admiration from across the globe.